हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज के इस वीडियो में मैं आपको 6 फॉर्चुनेटली पाक्षिक परीक्षा कक्षा 12वीं विषय इंग्लिश का पूरा आंसर बताने वाला हूं। तो वीडियो को लास्ट तक देखिए और सारे आंसर्स देखिए। चलिए सबसे पहले क्वेश्चन पेपर देख लेते हैं। हमको टोटल 5 क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं। ये हमारे क्वेश्चंस हो गए। ये हमारे 5 क्वेश्चन दिए हुए हैं। तो चलिए चलते हैं आंसर शीट पे। तो वीडियो में आगे से पढ़ने से पहले वीडियो को एक लाइक ज़रूर कर दीजिए और साथ ही साथ अगर आप हमारे चैनल पर नए हैं तो चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए, क्योंकि हम ऐसे ही सभी पाक्षिक परीक्षाओं और मासिक असाइनमेंट्स के आंसर लाते हैं। तो चलिए हम आ गए हैं आंसर शीट पे और ये हमारा है पहला क्वेश्चन। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है हमारा रीड द स्टैंजा एंड आंसर। तो ए है नेम द पोएम एंड द पोइट ऑफ दिस लाइन्स। आंसर है द नेम ऑफ द पोएम इज कीपिंग क्वाइट, द पोइट इज पेब्लो नेरुडा। बी है लेट्स नॉट स्पीक इन एनी लैंग्वेज से दैट पोइट वाई। आंसर है द पीपल ऑफ द वर्ल्ड हैव बीन इंडगलिंग इन वॉर्स एंड bloodshed on minor excuse. If they keep quiet, they may not indulge in reasoning disputes and quarrels, so let them keep quiet and not speak in any language. This will ensure peace and prosperity. C है what should we not do for a second? आंसर है we should cease all activities for a second. Man has used his arm only to kill and destroy others, therefore let them not move their arm so much as to harm others. D है what do you understand by the face of the earth? आंसर है the expression the face of the earth refers to the various countries on the surface of the earth. Question number 2 है answer the question in about 20 words. Question 2 का A है what will counting up to 12 and keeping still help us achieve? Answer counting up to 12 and keeping still will help us to introspect upon the kind of turmoil we have created in this world with our mindless action. This will be an exotic moment during which we will experience a sense of bonding with one another. It will give us an opportunity to understand each other and save ourselves from death. B है which is the exotic moment that poet refers to in keeping quiet? आंसर है पेब्लो नेरुडा wishes for that exotic moment when mankind will be free from greed, cruelty and harmful action. Unnecessary rush and noise have caused unpleasant tense and troubles. The poet wishes the noise of engines and machines should cease and peace and tranquility should prevail. Question number 3 change the narration. A है Pamela said man is mortal. Answer Pamela said that the man is mortal. B है Kinjal asked her father to bring her a car. Answer Kinjal said her father to bring me a car. C I said to him open the gate. Answer है I asked him to open the gate. D the master said to his servant bring me a glass of water at once. Answer है the master ordered his servant to bring him glass of water at once. E है the old man said may you be happy. Answer है the old man wishes that you might be happy. एफ है कैन यू राइड अ बाईसाइकिल, अनिल सेड। आंसर है अनिल आस्क्ड मी इफ़ आई कुड राइड अ बाईसाइकिल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 है, इस पे हमें समरी लिखने को बोला गया है, तो समरी इन डिटेल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 का आंसर है, समरी लिखते हैं। तो अ रैट ट्रैप पेडलर वेंट अराउंड सेलिंग स्मॉल रैट ट्रैप्स, हिज क्लोथ्स वेयर इन रेज, ही cheeks were hollow, he had the look of a strayed man, he made wire traps, he begged the material from stores and big farms, sometimes he restored to beginning and little stealing to survive. The world had never been kind to him, he had no home, no shelter. The peddler led a lonely life one day, while he was thinking about his rat traps, an idea struck him. He thought that the world itself was a rat trap as soon as anybody touched it. The trap closed on them. He was amused to think of some people who were already trapped and some others who were trying to reach the bed in the trap. It was a cold evening in December. He reached a cottage on the roadside. He knocked at the door and asked for a night's shelter. The owner of the cottage was a lonely old crofter. He wanted someone to talk to. He welcomed the peddler. He gave the peddler hot porridge to eat and tobacco. Peddler hot porridge to eat and tobacco to smoke. Then they played cards. The crofter was generous as well as trustful. He told the peddler that he had a cow and sold her milk to a creamery. He also told him that he received 30 kroners as payment the previous month. Then he took down a pouch and showed him the money. Then he put the money back in the pouch and hung it on a nail in the windows frame. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 है, इस पे हमको एडवर्टाइजमेंट का रिप्लाई करना है और एक हमको लिखना है लेटर अपने फ्रेंड को। तो हम लिखते हैं लेटर। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आंसर B32 सेक्टर 11 रोहिणी भिलाई, जुलाई 10, 2021। डियर प्रियांक, my happiness knew no bounds when I got to know that you have topped your school and achieved your dream. I felt so pleased that I wish I were there to congratulate you personally. The result has proved that hard work, determination and perseverance bring good result. You were so laborious and passionate about it. I know you were very nervous too, but I was always very confident that you would come out with flying colors. I apologize that I couldn't even attend the celebration party despite my wishes. Hope to see you soon. Please be inaugurate and continue your hard work. Your future is very bright. My present and elder sister have sent lots of love and heartiest congratulations. With lots of love and best wishes, your best friend. एंड नीचे आप अपना नाम लिख सकते हैं। तो इस प्रकार जो है हमारा 5 क्वेश्चंस का आंसर कंप्लीट हो चुका है। तो वीडियो को अपने सारे दोस्तों के साथ शेयर कीजिए, वीडियो को एक लाइक ज़रूर कीजिए और साथ ही साथ हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कीजिए, जिससे आपको आने वाली सभी पाक्षिक परीक्षाओं और मासिक असाइनमेंट्स का आंसर मिल सके।